Hello guys, welcome to C programming tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn about C programming step by step. So make sure you follow along with me and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. So now let's get started. At first we are going to download and install our IDE. The IDE we are going to use is Dev C++. So go to your browser and type Dev C++, and you can see the links here. Open up this link. I will also paste the link in the description so it would be easier for you all. Now after opening this page, click on the download button to download the file. It will say download will start shortly. Now you can see the download has started. To make the video short, I have already downloaded this file, so I would directly go to the downloads folder and install the file. So here I have Dev C++ already downloaded. Open the file, click on yes. Now it will take some time to install. Just sound packing. Just have patience until it installs. Then we are ready for programming. Click on OK. I agree. You can see the Dev C++ automatically installs C and C++ compiler. So TDM GCC is the compiler. You can see it automatically installs. So this one is much easier to use for C and C++ programming. Click on next. Click on install. The installation also might take some time. Just have patience. In the meantime, you can subscribe to the channel, like the video, give it a thumbs up, so I would be really motivated to upload these tutorials to you. And make sure you share your thoughts about the video in the comment section. You can ask me any questions about the video. I'll try to reply them. So work together. The installation takes quite some time. You can skip the video if it takes too long. The installation is almost done. The installation has completed. Now you can see run Dev C++. You can see the icon here and click on finish. So we will start the Dev C++ automatically. Now we are ready for C programming. It asks us your language. I'll choose English. Next, I would like to choose GSS Hacker color. GSS Hacker font. This is good. Click on next. Click on OK. This is our ID. Now to write our first program, let's just create a folder called C programs, and then keep it here. Now let's open a new file and save it. Save it in desktop C programs and name it as first program.c. The .c extension is really useful here. .c means our file is C file. So make sure write your .c and this C source files. Yeah, you can choose this. Now save. Now here we write our first program. Include stdio.h and int main printf hello world and semicolon return 0. Yeah, this is our first program. This is a hello world program. So now let's compile the program. The program has compiled with 0 errors, 0 warnings. Now let's run the file, execute, run. You can see the output is hello world. This is our first program. We will discuss about this code line by line in the next video. So make sure you check that video and then see you in the next video, guys. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel as well.